What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be working on the scat pack again, so stay tuned. So we're actually upgrading the reflectors. So these are smoked out and it has a LED strip instead of a little bulb. So basically we're replacing this one and the front one are there, yellow and the red. The new ones is smoked out, but the back lights up red, a whole strip, and then the front one lights up yellow or amber. And then we're also going to change the LEDs all around the car, and under the doors when you open, the little scat pack logo is going to come out. So that's pretty cool. I'll show you guys more or less the interior. I don't really have to show you because it's pretty much self-explanatory, and the door lights too, but this one more or less is going to be the harder one to do, so I'll explain how to do that, and I'll take you guys along. All right, so the easier way is to remove the wheel, have it jacked up, remove the wheel, you have access to this side right here. So basically you take off the clips, pop out the clips with a clip remover, take off this piece right here that's held on right here, and then you'll be able to access the bolts in the back of the reflector. Now it's gonna be easier if you have something like this, a right angle, what's this called, a right angle, wow, I literally just forgot the name, right angle drill attachment thingy, whatever. It'll actually help a lot. See, those are the clips. But yeah, so then you'll need a hex screw attachment thingy. So it's basically, you'll need that to take off the thing, which is 2 of them. All right, so you see it works perfect. For the rear wheels, we're gonna need to take the wheels off for sure though, but this works perfect. Just to give you an idea, this will be the replacement. See, it's smoked, and this basically lines up perfectly with how it sits here too. So it's like a factory replacement. But this one, the bulb is here. So basically it just lights up here, and it's just a reflector, so it lights up the whole thing. This one, you'll see how it'll light up. It'll be a whole strip, and it'll look way cooler. Let me put this on. So basically you take out the 2 screws and then the clip in the back, and you put in the new one and mount it up. Rear ones are gonna be a little bit difficult. I think the back wheel has to come out, but at least we'll get the front done real quick. As you can see, it's blacked out, and now the amber is a straight LED. Looks perfect. Looks awesome. I'm gonna do the other side, and then we'll figure out. Actually, look, so you can see now how this side. See how the reflector is just one bulb on the top, and it reflects off the other one. I'll show you this front one. Can't really tell with the light, but see the bulb is right there, and then it just reflects. So now we're just replacing it completely. Even from far away, it looks really good. Well, I'll do the other side, and I'm gonna do the interior, and then I'll tackle the hard part and show you guys how I would do that, and you'll see the end results. So I actually notice it's not a hex, it's actually a star, but that's how much force is put into that bolt that I was able to take it off of a square without even stripping it. So that's pretty weird. So it's actually a star, a torque star, whatever it's called. That's what's holding on the actual reflector. 2 bolts. Okay, so door light You just take it off from the bottom right there, remove that little clip, and this is the original. This is the new one. It has like a little mini projector. You connect it the same way, and then just make sure it's on the right side. All right, so then back ones have, let's see, where is it? Right here. Right here. Back ones have also lights. So at night you can't really tell. Let's see if you can. There you go. Pretty cool. Has a little bumblebee, and it's a scat pack. So basically it matches the rear. Oh, where is it? Right here. It matches this guy, and it's a scat pack. So pretty cool. For the trunk lights, basically they're little hooks. You take off the old one, and just make sure the positive side is this side and the negative side is this side, and hook it on, put it back in. Yep. Oh, you gotta make sure it sits good, because when that happens, let me free up my hand. So yeah, for the rear reflector, it's easier. I'm sure it's possible to do it on there or some way like that, but it's easier. Just take the wheel off and then take the straight axis to it. Way easier. So I can use my right angle drill attachment, and we'll get this side done. All right, so once the rear one is on, that's how it looks. It looks really cool. Can you see? It's an LED strip, but with the smoked out look. So when it's turned off, oh, by the way, look at the interior. Interior is LED now. So when it's off, it has a smoked out look. So he was actually gonna do a vinyl wrap over the reflectors, but this is a better option. It looks way cleaner. And I believe in Amazon they're like 80 bucks, both sides, all four. So it's not that bad. This one's pretty easy. The back one is pretty easy too. You just gotta take out the wheel. But yeah. All right, guys, the Scatty is done. Look how nice the indicator looks. You can see the back one too. So that's when it's light up. It lights up like that, and when it's off, it's black, so it's smoked out. Sheesh. So I just talked to the owner. We're actually gonna do starlights on this car now, and we're gonna paint those big brimbos. So that should be a fun, another project video that we're gonna do. I'm gonna talk to the client and see if we could get a videos and pictures at night, and I'll put it in this video for you guys. Look, client is happy with the headlights that we did last week, and sheesh, I'll put the video in if he sends it, so you guys can enjoy the view at night.